Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me today for episode number 160, where I'm going to show you how to use an expression in Expert SQL in a data link. This actually takes me back about 9 years. This is one of the first, I guess, cool tricks I learned in Quantrix. I mean, the whole thing was cool when I was learning it 9 years ago. But anyway, it brings back sweet memories of Jay Scott. You can look him up on the message board and see all the knowledge that he has. He's truly a Quantrix master, and props and shouts out to Jay Scott because he's the one that brought me Quantrix. So bless your heart, Jay Scott. Anyway, I want to show you how to use an expression the way he showed me how to use it a long time ago at a company far away. Anyway, I have here a date dimension table, okay? And I can see here in my documentation that I've put in the model browser that it's going out and it's selecting information from this date dim, and it's selecting dates between 2016 and 2018. Well, that's fine and dandy, but as time goes on, I want this actually to be fluid. And let's say I always want to be bringing in into my date dimension table, I want to be pulling in, 2 years ago or this year plus 2 years. So how can I make that happen? And maybe I want to go actually back 2 years. So what I'd go is I'd go into DataLink, edit my DataLink, and go ahead and click next, all the way to the SQL here. And I can see that, maybe it's not Expert Mode SQL because maybe I pulled it in, via the column tables method here. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to click Expert Mode SQL. Now you don't have to be an expert. You just need to know how to write an expression, which, I'm going to show you how to do here. So what I want to do is I want to say, go out and get this where my financial year is between, and I'm going to put a curly brace to open my my expression, and then I'm going to say year of today. Okay, so I'm going to put year, open paren today, which is a function itself, and I'm going to hit close parenthesis, and then I'm going to close this parenthesis, and I want to subtract from the year 2 years, okay, to get a rolling 2, and then what I'm going to do, and it needs to be between, again, I'm just going to copy this expression right here, and I want it to go out 2 years, so I guess that's probably going to give me, what, 4 years? So I'm having it be, instead of having it be minus 2 years, I'm going to have it be plus 2 years. And you can see again, let me just zoom in on that so you can see what I've done. Curly brace, year, open paren, today, open paren, close paren, then a close paren that goes with year, and then I'm minus 2ing, and then I'm taking another curly brace, okay? And I'm doing the same thing except for with a plus 2 here for the end of the year that I want to bring in. I'm going to click next. You can see it works absolutely beautiful when I do that using an expression. I go ahead and I click finish, and now if I were to sort this, how would I sort that? Sort it ascending. I'm seeing everything from 1/25 of 2014. Again, this is simply by fiscal month, and I'm seeing it all the way down to 12/29 of 2018, so kind of a rolling 4 years. So that's how you use expressions in a data link. I hope you find that useful. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I love this tool. I want to make you a Quantrix master. I want Quantrix to change your life because it can, and it's improved mine. So anyway, I hope you'll join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.